This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, the server edition, version, and whether it uses Windows versus SQL authentication. Once confirmed, sign in using an admin account. Make sure you have sysadmin or DB owner rights. Next, navigate to the target database in SQL Server Management Studio. Right away, do not delay. Create or select the login you will grant access to, and decide whether it is a server login or contained database user before proceeding to map permissions. Now create the login or contained user. Choose Windows authentication for domain accounts or SQL authentication with a strong password for logins. Once the login exists, open the database and map that login to a database user. This step links credentials to database objects. Then assign role memberships, DB Data Reader, DB Data Writer, or custom roles, depending on need, and grant specific permissions like connect and select. Make sure to follow least privilege. Grant only what the user truly requires. To finalize, test access immediately. Connect as the user and run representative queries to confirm functionality. Once done, audit permissions, revoke or adjust roles if tests reveal excessive privileges. Also script a quick rollback plan so you can remove access safely. If something goes wrong, check common failure points. Firewall or port blocking, SQL Server endpoints, the user's default database availability or orphaned users. Resolve these first. Then retest to verify access is restored and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.